Hi, I'm Carolyn Forster and I'm going to talk to you today about Turkey Tracks blocks. So when I started looking at the Turkey Track block, I thought, oh, that's great, you know, it's a block. And then I realised there were loads and loads and loads of different variations. So what we're going to do today is look at all the little variations to the block that I've discovered. The quilt that's behind me is one particular variation. That quilt is set with sashing. The blocks are set so there are 4 of them together, but you can make the blocks individually and then you put them together. So we have that version and then we have this little version, and this is the version that I'm going to show you the piecing sequence of first. The piecing sequence can be the same whether you hand or machine piece. So that's machined and this one's by hand.